Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When you're making repairs to a wiring harness, then it is super important to have the proper tape. This Tesa tape is incredible. This stuff is so strong, and it is amazing that it can stand up to really high temperatures and will really hold well. This acrylic tape is resistant to chemicals and fluid, as well as abrasion and of course heat. So all of those things could be found in an engine. And so this tape is going to be able to handle those things and still keep your wires nice and safe. So we use this after making a repair to this wiring harness, and we place it over the solder to provide a really secure fit and keep everything protected. The great thing about this is it is going to stay in place, unlike electrical tape where the adhesive will wear out or it kind of breaks down. This does not do that. This adhesive really holds strong and is not going to break down and get gummy and get all over the place and cause a problem. So we have been super happy using this Tesa tape in many instances. This is just one of the repairs we have made with this and have been really happy with it. So if you are looking for the absolute best wiring harness tape, then I would definitely get this one from Tesa, and that's my point of view.